Hi students, today we see about the database management system. What is the data? The data is the information. So what is the information? All raw facts are called the information or data. So from the raw facts we can collect the information. It's called informations. What data is required? This is called the informations. That means in database management system concept, the collection of interrelated data. The collection of data is correct. That data may be not variant in one data to another. So they are these only the data have the items between the two individual data means there is the interrelated. So we can create the if example we select the register number. The corresponding register number denote particular name, and the mark 1, mark 2, mark 3 is the example for another field. These marks denoted to the correct particular register number of the student name. Okay, so name, register number and mark are interrelated between the data. They are related to the single person, single student. Okay, so this is a collection of interrelated data is the database management system. So uninterrelated data we cannot accept. So interrelated data only maintained in the database. These data are collected in record. What is the record? Register number and student name and corresponding mark. Tamil mark, English mark, major mark, allied mark. These are related to the particular register number. So we call this is the collection of interrelated data. In set of programs, we can write the programs to access the data. So already we can save the data in database in table. What is the table? Collection of records. So individual field is called data. The collection of data is called record. The collection of record, example, in your classroom, student 1, student 2, student 3 are combined. Up to your 97 students are here. We combine all the students. They are called collection of records. Each student have individual data is record. So collection of students means collection of records is create the table. So what is the table name here? Second year girls. This is the table name. Okay. First we called as a data. Data is nothing but is a register number. The student name is the individual value is called data. Collection of interrelated values is called record. Collection of interrelated records is called table. In your department wise, first year, second year, third year, tables are collected in one place, that is called database. So collection of database means in our department wise we collect the computer science department, English department, all the individual department wise data are stored in database. So we can get from what is the individual term? Get from data. Collection of data is converted into records. Collection of records converted to table. Collection of table converted to database. We can maintain in our college with the different departments tables in the database. How to manage data? In English second year, one of the girls candidate we can select easily through the database. Otherwise in computer science, what is the first year student girls in particular number we can select easily. So we can manage the data in particularly data wise, record wise, table wise and database wise. We can store in data. we can access the any one of the data retrieval through the set of programs. You can create the programs. Through this program we can select what is the mark of the register number 25, what is the of Tamil mark oda தமிழ் மார்க் இவ்வளவு 25ங்கிற ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸோட ரெஜிஸ்டர் நம்பர் உள்ள ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸோட தமிழ் மார்க் என்ன அப்படிங்கிறத எடுக்கிறதுக்கு நம்ம ஒரு ரைட் ஆஃப் ப்ரோக்ராம் எழுதுவோம். அதை டேட்டா பேஸோட மிங்கிள் கனெக்ட் பண்ணுவோம். அதுலேருந்து டேட்டாவை ரிட்ரீவ் பண்ணிக்குவோம். when we retrieve, before that we can save. Yeah, before that we already saved the data, then only we retrieve. Database management system contains information about the particular enterprise. So it is a enterprise means or concern. We can create the database through the database management system. We can create the database and may store the data and maintain the data. Database provides an environment that is both convenient and efficient to use. Why we create the database? Because we do the work convenient and efficient use of the database. What is the application? Which field the database is applied? Banking, all transaction. What is the transaction? Create the account number and maintain your address, and what is how much amount you deposit, and withdraw amount, what is when you withdraw. All the transactions are maintained by in banking through the database. And the airlines reservations and schedules. What is the schedule? What is the dispatcher time? What is the arrival time? Are also maintained in the schedules through the database. And reservation, how many people in international level, which country people come and from and reserve the airline tickets, and within the particular time who withdraw the tickets are also maintained and managed by the database. In universities, what is the number of students registered in particular year, and the next year, second year, third year, and what is the grades they are after completion of the degree all are maintained. Before the 10 years also maintained in our colleges, in our universities. So all the data are available in databases. And manufacturing, production, inventories, orders, supply chain. So in the production or any manufacturing, that the production is produced, and what is the inventory, what is the order, who is the supplier, how much amount of supplied materials is derived, when we derived, in what date, and what is the amount, all are saved through the database. After every year we can use that data from many purpose. Human resources, employees records in what is the salary of each employees, and what is the tax deduction for each employee is also done by the clerk or any person through the database. So example, in our concern, take an example of JJ College. What is the staff, regular staff, and non-teaching staff, and how they are provide the salaries for individual persons, and how to calculate the tax, etc. is done through the human resources. So databases touch all aspects of our lives. So this is the database applications. These points are understand. So you take the note in your notebook. Thank you.